Just before 3 a.m., a trained stealth security operator spotted a person entering a Niagara Falls construction site, then walked towards a piece of heavy machinery. He started the equipment and maneuvered it around the empty site. He eventually stopped in front of one of the units under construction and proceeded to cause damage. Our operator contacted Niagara Regional Police Service while continuing to keep a close watch on the site. Police officers arrived within minutes. They checked the site, intercepted the suspect, and placed him under arrest.